Hello, girls. Have you ever asked yourself why some girls are always healthy and fit, full of confidence, and others struggle with fitness? Today, I'm going to provide you with the ultimate guide for girls on how to stay healthy, strong, and full of energy. And I promise it is easier than you would think. Continue watching until the end because by that time, you will have known how to transform your diet, boost your metabolism, and feel amazing every day. A couple of years ago, I was just like you, always tired, having midnight snacks, and complaining about my body. I tried so many weight loss secrets for women, but nothing worked for me. Then, I discovered the power of nutrition and healthy eating, and my entire life changed. Now, I am providing the same healthy lifestyle secrets that changed me from an unfit, insecure, and unhappy person to a fit, confident, and happy individual. Number 1. Add fiber-rich food in your diet. Start your day with some fiber foods like oats, berries, and greens. Fiber keeps you full, improves digestion, and maintains your waistline in shape. Trust me, girls, adding fiber to your food is a game changer for weight loss and health. Second, stop night snacking. Snacking at night is one of the biggest reasons that so many girls are unable to have a healthy, fit life. Rather than reaching for chips or cookies, incorporate protein snacks or herbal tea. Your metabolism is best when you're eating in the day, not midnight. Third, drink green tea. Green tea is a girl's super drink that can increase fat burning and energy. It's full of antioxidants that help healthy skin burn belly fat and even enhance your digestion. Take it daily for a healthy and slim body. Fourth, prep the food to prevent unhealthy food option. Meal prep isn't just for fitness freaks. It's the secret weapon for any girl who wants to eat healthy and balanced meal. By planning your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you avoid junk food craving, stay on track with weight loss, and save time. Fifth, eat slowly to prevent overeating. Girls, slow down and eat slowly. It is an easy yet effective trick. Savor each bite. Chew food well and pay attention to your body's hunger signal. This helps avoid overeating, aids digestion, and keep weight in check naturally. So are you ready to take charge of your fitness journey and become the healthiest version of you? Let me know in the comments below and which tip you are going to go first. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more girls' fitness tips, healthy eating tricks, and lifestyle inspiration. Remember, girls, being fit, healthy, and confident isn't about extreme workout or crazy diet. It's about making smart choices every day. Start today and your future self will thank you.